Good morning and Assalamu alaikum 7th class. How are you students? Hope so you all are fine. Students, we have started our chapter number 1. Let's start our topic with the name of Allah Almighty. Students, we have started our chapter which is atoms and molecules. In my previous video, I have explained you in detail about the atom, structure of atom and representation of an atom. Today in this video I will explain you about the molecules. What is molecules? Student, molecule is made up of two or more atoms of same kind or different kinds chemically combined together. I have explained you about atom. What is atom? Student, atom is the smallest particle of an element which can exist or take part in a chemical reaction. So when two or more atoms combine chemically, they form a molecule. Student, a molecule is the combination of two or more atoms. Molecule might be of same kinds of atom or different kinds of atom. Molecule exists in both elements and compound form. Students, the difference between element and compound is that in element, molecules consist of fixed number of one kind of atom only. Student, as molecule composed of two or three atoms or more atoms, if all the atoms are of same kind, are of one kind, then that molecule will be element. For example, in this example, you can see this is the oxygen molecule. In oxygen molecule, two oxygen atoms combine chemically to form the oxygen molecule. In ozone, O3 represents ozone molecule. Students, in ozone molecule, three oxygen atoms combine chemically to form one ozone molecule. So you can notice in these example that the kind of atom is same both in oxygen molecule as well as in ozone molecule. Similarly, students, another example is H2, that hydrogen molecule. In hydrogen molecule, two hydrogen combine chemically and form hydrogen molecule. So all those molecules which consist of one kind of atom is said to be element. Next is compound. Student, what is compound? Molecule in compounds consist of a fixed number of two or more different kinds of atoms chemically combined together. Student, in compound, the different kinds of atoms combine chemically and form a compound. When same kinds of atom combine chemically, they form an molecule, and when different kinds of atoms combine chemically, they form a compound. In this example, you can see that this is a molecule of carbon monoxide, this is a molecule of water. In carbon monoxide, one carbon and one oxygen combine chemically to form one molecule of carbon monoxide. Here this is a water molecule. In water molecule, two hydrogen atoms and one oxygen atom combine chemically to form water molecule. In these two kinds of atom, one is carbon and one is oxygen. In water, there are two kinds of atoms, hydrogen and oxygen. Another example is glucose, C6H12O6. Student, in glucose, three kinds of atoms, one, two, carbon, hydrogen and oxygen. So when the kinds of atom, there are different kinds of atom in a molecule, then that will represents the compound, and if the same kind of atom is present, then that will be element. So this is the difference between the element and a compound. Now student, next is I have written here some molecule along with their composition. Student, this is included in your syllabus also. Number first is carbon monoxide. CO represents carbon monoxide molecule. Students, in carbon monoxide molecule, one carbon monoxide molecule consists of one carbon atom and one oxygen atom chemically combined together. You can explain it with the help of the formula. Here in this formula you can see that one carbon and one oxygen. In water, two hydrogen and one oxygen. So we will write that In water molecule, two hydrogen atoms and one oxygen atom combine chemically to form the water molecule. This is glucose. Student, in glucose, 6 oxygen, 12 hydrogen atoms and 6 carbon atoms combine chemically. Next is sulfur dioxide. SO2 represents sulfur dioxide. In sulfur dioxide, one sulfur atom and two oxygen atoms combine chemically to form one molecule of sulfur dioxide. This is carbon dioxide, CO2 carbon dioxide. In carbon dioxide, one carbon atom and two oxygen atoms combine chemically to form one molecule of carbon dioxide. Next is sucrose. C12H22O11 represents sucrose. In sucrose, 12 carbon atoms, 22 hydrogen atoms and 11 oxygen atoms combine chemically to form the sucrose molecule. So student, in this video I have explained you in detail about the molecule. This is all about your today's lecture.